Hi, I'm Jenny Heath, principal of the LISD Tech Center, and I want to take you on a tour of the state-of-the-art programs we have here at the Tech Center. We have many options that will meet your interests. Do you like to cook? Do you like to spend time outside? Do you like construction? What about computers? How about healthcare or teaching? You can spend half your day here and take college and career-ready classes. Some of our students graduate with many credits towards high school and college. They also earn certifications in areas like healthcare, welding, automotive, computers, and culinary arts, just to name a few. Why is that important? Well, that means you can use these skills and certifications to get a good paying job right out of high school and a head start at college. Many of our employers will even help you pay for college. This is an amazing time to start working on your future. Enjoy the tour, and I hope to see you in the halls.
Hi, I'm Mr. Bueller from Graphic Imaging Technology class, and in this class students can learn things about the graphic and art fields.
My favorite part of the class is Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop because you can do a lot of stuff with it and you can create a lot of nice and neat things.
In 4, 3, 2, roll VTR.
It's just like a dream come true that I actually know how to use this stuff now instead of a little phone camera that I just run around my house making home videos. Now I can actually take on to my future, and I want to be a part of this video film world. It's just something that's a passion of mine.
Me coming into culinary last year as a junior, I never really even thought about that I would want to do this, and then I realized, hey, this is something I really like to do. Like, just try it. You never know. You really never know.
I got hooked on cars since a really young age, and I've always wanted to be around cars my whole life. And I want to learn how to fix them and maybe make a living off of it.
I like the puzzle aspect of it, and once you're done being able to stand back and go, I did this, and being able to see the finished product.
This class has helped me explore the different possibilities of engineering.
And this will get you a feel in the career before going into it, so you know how it's going to be and if you really want to go into it.
robotics class, it's always been a favorite to me. I've loved robots since I was really little, and this class gave me the opportunity to build one.
I like to make things. I want to be an engineer.
So there's a wide range of manufacturing careers. I really look forward to seeing you come in and take the program.
It's definitely kind of an honor to be able to be in this class and be taught by some incredible instructors.
They're going to learn how to be a good employee. They're going to learn how to work. We hope to see you in our class.
We'll practice taking somebody to the bathroom. We practice feeding. We learn how to pretty much take care of people the best we can.
This class is going to show you all of the different duties that are in a dental office itself. That is where we're going to learn the hands-on skills to help a dentist.
Dispatch to engine 5.
When you go out in the field, you can see anything, so in this class gets you ready to see all that stuff.
It takes a lot of discipline to successfully complete this program.
It's hard through the bookwork and stuff, but in the end, it's going to be worth it for what you can get out of it.
My favorite part of this class is vital signs because I think it's just really cool to learn how to take temperature, blood pressure.
It gives you kind of a head start on nursing skills that you can't get anywhere else besides the tech center. So we already know how to communicate with patients, how to take care of all their basic needs that a lot of people take for granted.
They have the opportunity to sign up for a co-op. They go to work literally every day. They get paid for that experience as well as they earn high school credit, and they're gaining multiple experiences of working with children.
Farming is more than just cows and plows. There's a lot of technology put into it.
It's not just about dirt, and it's not just about plants. It's about science and how the earth works.
If you come out to a class like this, you go out and see all the stuff working together. It's not just looking at it out of a book or whatever, or watching a video on YouTube from the projector.
The Tech Center is a good experience to be here, and it's really fun.